Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. This is a Nuki Smart Lock. It's the latest in technological advancement. It's been in Europe as a #1 selling smart lock, and now it's here in the United States. The features of this system are so tremendous, you can operate your Nuki Smart Lock from anywhere in the world. An app is one way to operate it and also to check who's been having access to your house. There are many different ways to enter, and there's also on the inside of my door the way you exit, which makes it great if you're worried about security issues, and it has a beautiful aesthetic from inside your house too. Let's get to all the features. Nuki is a smarter lock. It's compact and invisible from outside. You just see my deadbolt right here, right above the door handle. The keypad is compact, it's located to the right, and that is what's going to connect with the locking mechanism in front of your door. There are many different ways to use the keypad to unlock your door. You can unlock your door just with a touch of your fingerprint, and within 1 second, the door will unlock to gain entry. You can assign a person a code, and you can assign up to 200 codes. It will store up to 20 prints, whether it's a thumbprint or a fingerprint. Besides all of this, it also works with Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings. And that makes it really easy to operate if you're busy doing something else. Oh. Alexa, open front door. Yoo-hoo, Rebecca, I'm here early. Come in the kitchen, I'm washing some dishes. You're here early, yay. And look how beautiful it is on the inside of your home. It operates in 2 ways. You could press the button and instantly the door will unlock for you to walk out. You can also turn the knob to the left and open it just like a doorknob. And what's good about that is if your hands are full of things and you can't seem to open the door by turning the knob to your left, you can just press the button and out you go. Even more simple than turning the knob. All these different ways of using the lock, whether it's by a code for people to gain access that you give to someone that may work for you or a one-time visitor. You also have the ease of use with a thumbprint or using it with a fingerprint. The lock will open within 1 second for quick access for regular users with secure identity from using the fingerprint or the thumbprint. And it's so easy to set up. The Nuki Smart Lock is so easy to install. When you order it, it comes in a box like this. I open the box, and here's your interior lock that's packaged on top of the box. And underneath it, there is a charging cord, and the bottom layer was mounting hardware. The paperwork included a Nuki Quick Start Guide and a measurement card. Here is the Nuki Smart Lock that'll be on the interior of your door. Here's the underside of it. Here's a connection cable to charge it, and here is the install hardware in this box. I open the box, and we can see the blue is the adhesive strip on the left. The mounting plate is in the middle, and the extension plate is on the right. And under that are the fitting adapters. They have 3 to choose from. You choose the one that will fit your door. And there's 2 screws on the right-hand side. The charging cable has a magnetic side to it and also a USB Type-C adapter. First thing you do is you charge it up, which I'm doing right here on my counter. Here is the Nuki Keypad 2. It comes in a separate box. I open the box, and this is how it comes packaged. Again, great packaging design so it doesn't get damaged during shipping. Here is that keypad and some information about Nuki. And on the back of that card, there are safety instructions, regulatory labels, and some warranty information right with that QR code. Here's a close-up of the keypad, and on the back of it is an adhesion strip. So you can simply mount by sticking it to the side of your door. It will take 4 AAA batteries to operate the keypad. So to begin, once your Nuki door lock is charged, go to the QR code in the Quick Start Guide, and that's where you're going to show. It'll take you to how to mount and install your Nuki Smart Lock. I went to the App Store, I found Nuki Smart Lock, and I downloaded the app. And quickly, I was at the Set Up Your Smart Lock screen. So now it's time to install your lock. I grab the Quick Start Guide for the QR code. We will find our installation directions. I hit the QR code, and look at how clear and well illustrated the directions are. Nuki makes it easy with step-by-step instructions. I've laid everything out on my tray. I just need a Phillips head screwdriver to add to everything that Nuki gave me. With the adhesive strips, the blue ones on the top, the mounting plates, the connector, the Nuki Smart Lock, and the keypad. With the blue adhesive strip, we're going to secure the lock on the outside of my door. I have a basic deadbolt there because you don't want it to wiggle around while you're securing your Nuki Smart Lock to the interior. It'll keep it steady in place. It gets secured. I use both sides of the tape to make a big cross over my deadbolt. And then, with my Phillips head screwdriver, I am going to remove the locking mechanism on the inside of my door simply by unscrewing the screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. You'll need these screws later to attach the mounting plate, so save them. And with the screws removed, out comes the old knob and cover. Here is a measurement card. We're going to measure the tailpiece overhang with it. This is what that looks like. Put the card up to it like so to make sure it's within the markings on the card for the proper measurement. If it's within the green, you can directly attach the mounting plate. If it's not, if it's in the yellow, they give you an extension plate you can use. So determine that at this step. Since mine was in a green, I did not need the extension plate. Here is the mounting plate, both sides of it. I'm turning it around so you can see. Now, with the black ring facing you, you put on the mounting plate right over the center level of the lock. I am making sure it's going to align, so I turned it over, looked on this side, and now I'm aligning it so the 2 screw holes will fit. I'm lining it up, and in will go the 2 screws. One on the right, one on the left, and with your Phillips head screwdriver, tighten each of the screws, the right and the left, for a tight fit. Now it's time to choose your fitting adapter, depending on the design of your lock tailpiece. Now, this is mine. It's a square, so I chose the square fitting adapter. I am holding it down, and I'm going to fit it right in. And here I have placed it in. It's a secure fit. With that done, I'm taking my Nuki Smart Lock. This is going to the interior of my door. I'm showing you all sides of it so you're familiar with it. Make sure the Nuki marking of the Smart Lock is on the top. You press it in, place it there, and you're going to turn until it snaps into place tightly. And it did, very quickly, easy. You'll know it's correctly positioned with the Nuki name right on the top. And here I am, turning it right and left, and we see the lock going in and out. Success! Now we're taking the tape off. The tape had secured the lock so it wasn't going to rattle around when we were attaching the interior Nuki Smart Lock. What a great, easy, simple idea. Now it's time to attach the keypad. I turned it over. Now that's the tape in the back. I decided to put it on the molding next to my door. Simple and easy, and a common sense place to put it. I took off the red plastic piece to expose the adhesion backing on the back, and it's very strong adhesion, and all I needed to do was press it against this wood molding. I pressed it tight, and it was secure in place. So now it's time to go into your app and manage your devices. This was a smart lock by Nuki. I press set up my smart lock. It takes you through a few other menus. I've entered my name as the owner of the smart lock, and then it tells me to hold down and press a button. I followed the directions, and simply by pressing the center of your interior smart lock button, you hold it down, it'll turn white, and that means it's now going to connect. It glows white. It had given me those directions to hold it for 5 seconds. So here is what's going on the phone. It's connecting my smart lock, and it wants me to put in a security code, so I did. It's a 6-digit code, so make sure you know what that is. Write that down somewhere, and your smart lock is connected. Going to download your firmware, go through a few other menus on your phone, and I'm going to name it my front door. You can have many Nuki smart door locks around your property. This is the one for my front door. You'll calibrate it. It gives you really easy directions on how to do that. You want the door closed and unlocked. Gives you tips on that. And in just a few seconds, your lock has been calibrated. Your calibration is complete. And check out this feature. You got your phone with you. It's going to know you're walking up to your door. It's going to unlock it for you. Haven't seen that before. That's cool. You can have your door automatically unlocked as you arrive to your house. And the auto unlock feature is all customizable. It'll ask you if this is a business or your private residence. So let's continue with connecting the keypad. So I followed the menus, and at my keypad, I pressed in a special code, and that's going to activate my keypad. It steps you through how to do that, and we see the white lights flashing on top. That means it's connecting, and this is where you re-enter your security code that you used to set it up in the first place, and it will pair your device. And now I'm adding my first code of how I'm going to unlock my door. You can choose any 6-digit code you want, and that's going to pair your smart lock and keypad with that 6-digit code. And from now on, you can control the smart lock with the keypad, and with your app, you can simply swipe left or right to lock or unlock your door if you want to just use your app to open your door. And this is how you open and close with just a swipe. There are so many features. There's even a night mode. There's a scheduling feature. You can have it on a timer to unlock and on a schedule. Maybe that's when the kids come home from school. Or you have employees that are going to come in at a certain time of day. You can have your door unlocked at that time. And the auto lock is great because you can leave your house and after a certain amount of time, it will lock the door for you. You don't have to lock it yourself. I set mine to 1 minute. It's also a lock and go feature. I set that to 20 seconds. That's the default. It'll unlock the door and lock it automatically after a few seconds. The activity log is where you can track who's come in and out of your house by the codes you've given them. This is terrific if you have lots of comings and goings of children, friends, and other people you've given your code to, cleaners. You can see what time they entered your home. It's great if you have employees that work for you at your house. And you can assign users. You can just put in names and give them times they can enter your home. There's many different ways to customize your Nuki Smart Lock. And in the settings menu, you can find out things like your battery, charge level. You can change your security code, brightness, many different features. And this is how you add someone's fingerprint. You're in your keypad, you go to an entry code, you press add fingerprint, and it'll walk you through how to do that, which is basically just put your fingerprint on the keypad of your door. It'll ask you to put your fingerprint on there in different ways so it can pick up your entire fingerprint. So you enter the person's name for their fingerprint that you will be adding. That's all there is to it. And you can use the same part of the app for fingerprint if you choose to have a thumbprint instead. You'll move around your thumb a number of times. The app will coach you how many times you need to do that. And it'll turn green with the success of accepting your fingerprint or thumbprint. And everyone gets its name. Success. And to give someone a code because perhaps someone will be coming to visit and you don't want to put their fingerprint in, you simply name them and you give them an entry code. That's all you need to do. And you tell them what their 6-digit code is, and that will be assigned to them. This one was for my niece. There's also a way to give someone a limited time to have access. Someone's going to be coming through a certain window. You can allow your door to be opened with a special code for a limited time. And you can even schedule that days of the week. Maybe that's your cleaning crew. I'm loving Nuki, and I'm loving the price too. Click the link below to get your Nuki Smart Lock. What a simple, easy, and secure way to enter and exit your home. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is smart with a Nuki Smart Lock. See you next time. If you like this video, here's more over there, including some great recipes for you to make for you and your family. Just click.